Hi, in this tutorial we talk to how we can detect candle gap, something like this here, and there is a gap between these two candle. So we write it gap condition if low is higher than previous high or high, no, yeah, for example, let's write it and check if gap condition. So let's draw a box that new previous bar index, bottom right is previous high, and bar index, for example, and low, and background color, for example, color dot green. So here we change our color. So let's add it to chart. Oh, we should overlay to true. So as you see here, detected gap. Okay, here the detected gap. And sometimes it's possible, yeah, like this. And so we have another mode here. We add, for example, gap condition 2 if high is less than previous low. So we write this gap condition 2 box that's new bar index and previous low, bar index and high, and color, for example, red. Beige color to red. So we update it so it detect this kind of gaps too. Okay, so bearish gaps it detected, and also it detected bullish gaps too, like here.